Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have something very special lined up for you, especially in light of the upcoming festivities of Eid. We're going to delve into the heart of Jordanian cuisine and learn how to make the beloved Mansaf, Jordan's national dish. Whether it's for iftar during Ramadan or a festive Eid celebration, Mansaf holds a special place in Jordanian culture. So, let's get started. 1. Ingredients. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's go over the ingredients. Don't worry, everything you need is readily available and won't break the bank. Here's what you'll need. 1. Lamb. Traditionally, Mansaf is made with lamb. You can use cuts like shoulder or leg. 2. Yogurt, preferably goat yogurt for that authentic flavor. 3. Rice, long grain rice works best. 4. Almonds, slivered or whole almonds, whichever you prefer. 5. Jaymeed, this is a unique ingredient, dried fermented yogurt, but don't worry, we'll show you how to prepare it. 6. Onions, yellow onions finely chopped. 7. Spices, a mix of cardamom, cinnamon, and bay leaves for flavor. 8. Olive oil, for cooking, of course. 9. Salt and pepper, to taste. Now that we have our ingredients sorted, let's move on to preparing the star of the dish, the Jaymeed. 2. Preparation of Jaymeed. Jaymeed is the heart and soul of Mansaf. It gives the dish its unique tangy flavor. 1. Begin by soaking the dried Jaymeed in water overnight until it softens. 2. Once softened, transfer the Jaymeed to a blender along with a bit of water and blend until it forms a smooth paste. 3. Strain the mixture using a fine sieve to remove any lumps, and voila! You have your Jaymeed ready to go. 3. Cooking process. Let's move on to cooking the Mansaf. 1. Start by browning the lamb in a large pot with some olive oil. 2. Once the lamb is browned, add in the chopped onions and spices. Let them cook until the onions are soft and fragrant. 3. Now, it's time to add our star ingredient, the prepared Jaymeed. Pour it over the lamb mixture and let it simmer gently. 4. While our Mansaf simmers away, let's prepare the rice. Rinse the rice thoroughly and cook it according to the package instructions. Fluff it up with a fork once done. 4. Assembling the dish. It's time to assemble our Mansaf. 1. Start by laying down a bed of fluffy rice on a large serving platter. 2. Next, arrange the tender lamb pieces on top of the rice, making sure to pour over that luscious Jaymeed sauce. 3. Sprinkle some slivered almonds on top for that extra crunch and visual appeal. And there you have it, our homemade Mansaf, ready to be enjoyed with family and friends. But before we dig in, let's not forget the most important part, serving it the traditional Jordanian way. 1. Mansaf is typically served on a large communal platter, where everyone gathers around to enjoy the feast together. 2. Traditionally, Mansaf is eaten with your hands. Tear off a piece of bread, grab some rice and lamb, and savor the flavors. And there you have it, our journey into the heart of Jordanian cuisine with Mansaf. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this iconic dish as much as I enjoyed sharing and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel it with you. Remember, whether it's for iftar during Ramadan or a festive Eid celebration, Mansaf is sure to bring joy to the table. Eid Mubarak to all our viewers celebrating. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Mansaf, Jordan's national dish lovers.